8th. The conference featured nearly 20 in-depth scientific reports and 2 discussion panels on engaging topics that explore global change in smart city development. Discussions centered on breakthrough technologies like IoT, AI, and the LoRaWAN platform in the digital transformation context, addressing complex urban challenges and promoting sustainable solutions for smart cities. In the framework of the conference, the Smart Campus Campaign 2024 competition gathered 12 outstanding teams from leading universities in the Asia-Pacific region, including 6 teams from the University of Da Nang. Participating teams presented innovative technological solutions such as IoT, AI, and robotics to enhance sustainability in smart city development. Through knowledge-sharing activities, academic exchanges, and international collaboration, the conference serves as a crucial stepping stone for Da Nang and other Asia-Pacific cities to move toward new standards in sustainable smart urban development.